Hey everyone, it's us with Alex at Pirate Bay Phuket, and it's Thursday night, so it is our 23rd Music Geeks Meetup here. So this is our setup, and we just ended our second live streaming on YouTube. So we are live and online with our meetup, and it went very great. We had Alex project
Yeah, we
and
got an
developed it a bit.
idea like 5/4 rhythm. We made it in chromatone metronome, and after that exported to Logic and got the basic groove. After that, what we did, hit some
It was the
synthesizer
bass, this
in A minor.
meditative
Yeah, yeah,
bass.
yeah. Big meditative bass for I don't know 2 minutes.
Yeah,
Just
yeah,
like
but it was fast. Yeah, it was fast because then we got the long
it
parts.
actually sounds, you said dull, but really good in a way, like it makes the mood like
Yes,
meditative, and
yes.
you're just not holding to the rhythm, it just flows.
Yeah, yeah. I think I'm maybe I got bored, but more because of the
Making this,
sounds. No, no, no. I mean the drum sounds are a
oh
bit
yeah,
generic,
yeah, yeah, and
basic.
of course we need to make
Yeah, and
more
so
like
maybe this like
drums.
bass is so huge and so nice with all the effects, but everything other is not so interesting to hear. And I kind uh, try to imagine it, but I can't imagine everything and
Mhm.
as it is because right now we have more like a sketch, as I believe, but. These ideas evolve, and we have already the feeling of this 5 4 or 5 8
5/4.
5 4, yes,
Yes.
5 4 feeling, and with that we can explore more, build on that, and we have this project file when we have the audio, and everything is in place, and you can I will have you listen just a tiny bit, and it's not perfect, and let's hear it like from beginning. Yeah.
Oh no, we don't use this bass. Oh,
This
actually,
you're improving something very, very complex here.
sorry, but I need to do it. Oh, I can just use OPZ and that's it. Oh no, I don't need OPZ. Oh yeah, I found it.
Oh, yeah, yeah, some side chain.
Yeah, now two basses sounds really good.
Yeah, and only one bass. So this is the sketch. I like the arpeggio very much, and the bass
Wow,
is very interesting. And with sidechain,
I didn't realize that two bass like really dull. You said bass, and this one gonna sound amazing
yeah, we
together.
never turned them on together.
Yeah,
Now
but
they
let's.
sounds amazing. This is the recap.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, we will repair and improve this project a little bit together now. But next time and next Thursday we will work on this project or more projects together. And if you wanna build something musical out of your head, out of your ideas, and you have any interest in music, you can come here and share your music, share your interest, And
We're here to help you.
yeah, we're open to any ideas and creative process, because yeah, it's so fun to have this connection with music and through music. So yeah, if you can come to Pirate Bay Phuket next Thursday at 7 p.m. and have great time together with us. If you can't, there is a whole 1 hour and a half live stream on our YouTube channel, and you can go there and watch it and like it, and just get to this event next time online. I hope we will continue making these lives every meetup from this. So yeah, thank you for being around. See ya.
See ya, bye.
Bye.